Hello, welcome again. So this is the International Training Scholarship at Belgium that just opened August 3rd, 2026, and the deadline is 18th of September 2026. And they offer scholarships for both the bachelor's degree, the master's degree, and also they offer scholarship for training courses. So this scholarship covers your travel expenses, it covers subsistence allowance. It covers exceptional costs associated with visa applications, both for the bachelor's and master's. It covers your tuition fees only for the bachelor's and specialized master's degree, not for the training courses. Then it covers indirect mission expenses. Then it covers insurance costs. So it covers basically every expenses you'll be spending for your study in Belgium. I'll be showing us how to apply for the scholarship in this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and also like and share our videos. So who can apply for this scholarship? So you must be a permanent resident and work in one of the 32 eligible countries. So we are going to be looking at the eligible countries. So the disadvantage of this scholarship is that not so many countries are eligible to apply for the scholarship. So these are the eligible countries that can apply. So in Africa, we have these countries listed. Then in South America, this country, in South Asia, then Asia. So you just check these countries to check if your country here is eligible. Unfortunately, Nigerians and Ghanaians, they are not listed here to apply for the scholarship. So just check other countries you can check to know whether you are eligible to apply for the scholarship. So that's the first eligibility criteria for the scholarship. So, okay, so if your country can apply and good to go, then you can go forward to the second eligibility criteria, which is to hold a graduate degree and meet the admission requirement for the program. So, a description which can be found in the ARES website, we'll check that later. Qualifications you need for a bachelor's and that you need for a master's. Also, you must also have earned relevant academic degree not more than 20 years prior to the start of the program. Then you must demonstrate at least 2 years relevant professional experience in one of the 32 eligible countries. So you must have 2 years experience. Then you must complete your application in the language in which the program is taught, which is going to be English language. Then also you need a basic knowledge of French language. Then you must apply for just one program. These are the basic eligibility criteria. So the duration of the bachelor's and specialized master's degree is 12 months maximum, and for the training courses it is 6 months maximum. So we are going to go to the website to find details of the qualifications you need. So how do you apply for this program? So the application process is not so tedious. So the first stage is to create an account. Just go through this link, account creation request form. So when you get here, you choose your country. First stage is just choose your country. Probably I'll choose here Cameroon. Then go forward. Then you keep answering the question. Use the eligibility questions. Then hold a diploma or a graduate level degree, or you hold a diploma comparable to an undergraduate level degree. So you are just going to choose this based on the degree that you have. Then you press next. Then you go to I have at least 2 years work experience. Yes. Then you go to the eligibility criteria. I've never been awarded an ARES scholarship. I read the entry. You must make sure you tick the two of them. So you will receive this link now to go and register after you make sure you have passed the eligibility criteria test. So when you go through the link, just convert this to English. You translate to English. So you are left here to create your account. So you can put your email address, next step, and create your account. After you have registered and created your password, you attach all the required documents, which is basically you need a reference letter, then basically your degree certificate. And both for the bachelor's and the master's degree, you need a graduate degree. That's you need at least a bachelor's degree to apply for both the bachelor's and master's degree. So I wish us good luck in this application. See you next time. Bye. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and also share this video.